Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel. I am your designing developer. Like previously we have done many of the things using JavaScript and I hope you enjoy all the things related to JavaScript which we have done yet. And from today now we are starting React 18 series and I'll be telling you what is React 18 from start to end, and we'll be just covering a React 18 part videos like we are covering up JavaScript videos. So in this part videos I'll be telling you what is React, how to use it, and what are the things important in React 18. So just now we'll be starting with our first topic, which is what is React. So now in this video I'll be telling you what is React. We will be not working with any project or anything like that. I will be today telling you what is React. So React is a open source library which is used in JavaScript. You can say that JavaScript has a framework of React, like HTML has having a framework of CSS. Like that, JavaScript is having a framework of React, and React is an open source library which is used in JavaScript to work with many projects. Like if you want to give any modern effect to your website, to your portfolios, to your clones, so you can use React.js with JavaScript to uh, give these all colors effect and to make it more beautiful looking and to add more effects so it can be looking more good, and you can add more things in that in React so it can be more beautiful. So there are many, you can say there are many React.js open source libraries. Like one is React, one is React.js, and third one is React 18, which we are doing. So in React 18, it is a really modern UI framework, because previously on when React was newly in the market, so only React and React.js were there. But now in 2019, they introduced React.js 18, which is completely contains all the you can say completely contains all the beautiful features which a user needed to use in their websites and to use in their portfolios and everything. React 18 is a really good and open source library which is used in JavaScript, HTML, CSS type languages, and it is also used as tailwind CSS, or you can say with tailwind CSS, to make your project more beautiful, more good, and more open source looking. So just I want to give some of the React 18 information to you, and this was the video which I want to give you. And in the next video we will be learning why React is important and what projects you can build using React. So in this video we have learned what is React. It is an open source library and it is used in JavaScript to build many projects like portfolios, templates, websites, and anything like that. So you can use React 18 in many big projects also to make your project more good and more modern looking, because React 18 is a really newly framework in the market which is not used by the most user because they don't know about that. They are using React.js. But now I'll be telling you all the things related to React 18, which is really important for you if you want to learn React from start to end. So just remember to see these all series video which I'll be uploading, because that videos which I'll be uploading in future will be giving you for efforts and will be giving you help to learn React. So just now, I hope you understand this video in which I've telling you what is React 18, how to use that. So if you have understand and enjoy this video, so hit a like, and if you want to see more videos like that, React 18 tutorials, so remember to hit subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell from which you'll be notified with all the future videos. Also share this video so more people can learn about React 18 and all the tutorials which we have done yet. We have also used JavaScript in our projects in part, so you can check that out also if you want to learn JavaScript. Then you can move on to React 18, and this was our first video related to React 18 in which we have learned what is React. So just now I will be meeting you next project with more amazing things in which I'll be telling you why React is important and how to use it. So just for today, goodbye.